Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video tutorial of jQuery. And in this video we'll talk about callback functions. Okay, so callback functions basically are functions that will run after the animation is complete, okay, or the effect that you choose is complete. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little example. So the first thing we have to do is document ready, and now we create the function and curly braces, and inside here is where we will put our jQuery code. So the first thing I want to do is let's create a button here, and let's type click. Function, and of course the curly braces. Don't forget the semicolon here. Okay, so after we click a button, and we don't have the button yet, so let's create one. Input type equals button, and I can put an ID here, but we only have one button. Okay, so I can instead of using an ID, I can go directly I can mention directly the button itself, okay, in the selector, okay, and as long as we have only one button, that there's no problem, okay. So we will not need an ID for this one. So sorry, instead of button type, we have to type here button tag, and here let's close button. Okay, and this is another way that you can type or create a button. And here let's type click. Okay, if you go to Firefox and run this, sorry, let me run this in Chrome, you'll have a pretty neat button here. Okay, so now as we learned in the last few videos, I create something or some effect or animation for whenever I click the button, that animation executes, okay, or runs. So I'm gonna put here, I'm gonna create p hide, which is going to be here. Let's type p, and here hello. Let's save this, and let's go up here. What I'm going to do here is hide, and let's say 1000. Okay, so let's run this code. Oh my god, I always forgot. It's not. Let me run this in Chrome. Okay, so we have a button and hello. If I click, it should hide. Okay, perfect. So this is how we learn to do a simple function in jQuery. We just create the event click for whenever we click the selector, this selector, and then we create a function to run the code, okay, to run the code whenever we click. Okay, and this is the code that is going to run. Select P and hide it. Okay, now let's say I want to do something else after hide it, like let's say here let's say an alert you hide it. Okay, save it. Let's see what happens. So let's refresh. If I click, the alert box immediately appears. You hide it, okay, and then the effect doesn't it doesn't do any effect at all. Okay, it just disappears. Let's see. So to prevent this kind of problem, what we do here is after the selection of the time, okay, or the speed, we do function parenthesis and we open another functions as we do here, okay, or in here. So we open another function, and instead of putting this here, let's copy this and put this here, paste it. So what this will do is to prevent that the alert box runs before the animation, okay? So this will only run after this animation is complete, okay? So as you will see, refresh, there it is, click, hello disappears, and only there then the alert box appears, okay? So basically this is a callback function. Basically is a function inside another function, okay, or a function inside the effect animation, okay. So this will synchronize your code, okay, a little bit more and avoid those problems that you saw. So that's it. This is how callback functions work, and this is all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.